Shahina zakasheshe erizoba akashika ka the Human Rights Commission akaba kakurirwe mukuru w'ekigombeeki n'aba commissioners bashatu babanza kuhereza enchwamu yo mushango gwa Emmanuel Nabimanya owabira ryembohe omukihome kya Rugongi omurukiruhura ahi omupolisi owamanyanka wanda wanyama yamutire enkoni ezamwasira omutwe zikamuhutaza n'omukono nukwe kwirukangirira omukakikwaka omwaka gw'2014 n'okwisyo bwa hati atwire nahozo mushango ogu.
He was entitled to safety and protection. The same state agency he expected to protect him are the ones who visited on him untold physical pain and mental agony. This was betrayal. Nabimanya was viciously beaten on the head with a sick and long stick. He suffered a cut on his head which caused him heavy breathing. The immense physical and mental pain he suffered is seen on his head but also on his face.
Omukuhereza enchwamu y'omushango ogu akakiiko karagira gavumenti okukita Emmanuel Nabimanya $15,000,000 bwanyuma y'okusinga omushango ogu kandi ogu ebintu byo byatugambira.
Complainant is allowed. The respondent is ordered to pay the complainant 15 million Uganda cedis as general damages for violation of his right to protection from torture, cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment or punishment. 3. The 15 million Uganda cedis will carry an interest of 10% per annum from the date hereof until payment is full.
Hata hinatungire obuzubo bwo muchome niho natabarize kejo Human Rights kugira ngo yenyande abo kubori akari mu serikali wa government ntene ikuru kumbasa nyonkanye ko muntu niko kwezo nisa Human Rights ngo yenyande kuna agarikire mukana agarikayo no bumugo ne family yanjye ninyende kugirebera ebingi tinki biyekora bo kubati nkamuga konka hango bwahereza amagara ibibyona yo ninkirezana na koto kuyacho mushango.
Abakakiiko bayihanangiza abanyayuganda okwejumbira omukarura karukwisha omwihorere.
Wareba ngo obugabe bwawe bwarubatirwa nobasa kwija mu offices zitwa hambarra twine abantu abakubasa kwakira omburungi regional offices abashema abarubirizi abakiruhura bona bagureta mbarra mwijaho muri mbarra nohababo mushango gwawe nugukurwa konka nitwe nkaba kumedembe ryo buntu nutuje kuba turyo tutambatambura myanye tari yemwe kureba karura ko katambara kandi kureba nkagenda umusingi
arikurra akakikwaka yoyoreka ku emishango myingi ahari 15 egi neyo kurubatirira obugabe bw'abanyayuganda kandi myingi neyembohe ziri kuba ziferire omumikono ya polisi.
Alleged violations of the right to life, the right to protection from torture, cruel, inhuman, degrading treatment, and the right to personal liberty.
Akakikwaka akatandika erizoba nako kuhendera ombero bibiri ahi barahereza enchwamu y'emishango yona eyatabarizibwe. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West agacenchwire.